Welcome to my video on how to bisect an angle using just a compass and a straight edge. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw our angle, and we're going to draw two lines. Just like that. And then we're going to put some labels on them so we know what we're talking about. Let's call this point where they intersect A, and just put something out here, B, so we know this is line B, array B, and then we'll put a C up here just so you know what we're talking about for reference points. Now the first thing we want to do is get our compass out, and we just want to draw an arc. Make this a little bigger. Put it right here at where the intersection, and just draw an arc like that. So we're going to get 2 points now. We're going to label these points. We're going to label these D and E, just so we know points of reference. So next what we want to do is we want to draw another arc. Doesn't have to be exactly the same width or the separation of the compass, same radius, but they do need to intersect somewhere in the center here. From D and E, draw this arc from E and this arc from D. Now this point right here should be the midpoint. So let's extend that out with a line through that point from the intersection point there. So that should be our intersection. And so what this construction allows us to do is to bisect this angle. So essentially this angle and this angle are equal now. That's our notation for equal. So let's get a small protractor and just roughly validate that point. Let's see what we've got here. So this first little angle right here I'm measuring, it's going to be about 19 degrees maybe, something like that. It's 0 to almost 20, so it's about 19. Now let's measure this one over here just to see what it is. And it's also about 19. So that's a good thing that they are equal. So it's half, half. I want to thank you for watching this little video, and I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please give me a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I want to thank you for watching.